is happening, guys? Welcome back to Baguettes and Asbos, where today we're in the Garage of Dreams and we are finally fitting the gripper diff. I've been waiting for this day for a long time. I think this is going to be one of the best mods I've done. That's a lot smaller than I expected. Look at that. So there you have it. New versus old. This here is how you can tell if it's a limited slip diff or not. If it's got that shaft through it, it's not. So this is an open diff. Basically what that means is if one wheel is spinning, it will spin freely. One wheel peel, they call it. This one, plated mechanical diff. Drive shaft's fitting here. You can't really see in there. But effectively what happens is if one wheel is spinning, so let's say we go over a bump, we unload the wheel, it starts spinning, what it'll do is it'll take that torque from the wheel that's spinning faster and push it through to the other side and use the torque to spin the outside wheel, or the opposite wheel should we say. The reason I say outside wheel is because when you're taking a corner, the inside wheel has less distance to travel than the outside wheel, so it spins faster. So what happens is, as you're going around the corner, the inside wheel is spinning faster, but the torque from this side, or the inside wheel, is pushed through to the outside wheel, and it makes that curve round quicker, and it pulls you into the corner. So hopefully, less wheel spin, faster lap times, because race car. So my next task is Ugga Dugga, get these bolts out. I've got new bolts with the fitting kit. Take this pinion gear off, swap the pinion gear over to this one. I have give this a quick inspection because this is from the Gearbox that second gear, let's say, crapped its pants on Cadwell Park. I don't know if you've seen that video. And then I bought another box, 27,000 miles on it for £150. Lovely bargain. That box is in the car now. What I've got is the old case from the box that came out, which I've cleaned up. I don't know whether to paint this silver or not. I do like it when it's just OEM still, but it will look nice if it's painted. And then what I'm going to do is new seals, new bearings on the gripper diff, fit all that in, shim it. And then when I take the old box out and split that, I'm just going to put the gear shafts in with the gears out of that one in here and build up a nice fresh box. I've just noticed on the case there that someone's already helicoiled it. Not that it's an issue. That just means that the thread's been killed in the past, drilled out, re-threaded, and then they put that helicoil in. Got a care package from the boys at Rival Motorsports. Tell you what, the service there, mate, second to none. Big shout out. One diff bearing, another diff bearing, drive shaft seals, and a bag of Lucky Charms. The torque settings on this bad boy, and these are very important, are 50 Newton meters and then 90 degrees, which is a lot. So I've just asked John to go and grab the device. He's going to be around with that in about 20 minutes. So while he's doing that, I'll have a look at these bearings. Alright, so have a little tidy up. Get rid of that. Just move this out the way. I'm going to get these races and bearings, fitted bearings on there, races in the case. Gear selector. It's a lot lighter with no internals in it. I've already cleaned that once, to be fair. A little magnet collects all the swarf. We've got the press set up. I'm going to use a socket because I haven't got a press kit. But it's very important that I get it on this inside lip and not the outside lip, because that'll kill the bearing. I am very nervous doing this because it was very expensive. Don't tell Chantal. Let's go. Oh, I can feel that's going nice. Nice and smooth, nice and level. I think that should do us. Let's have a look. Looks good. Right, so next I need to try and get this race out. That's a shim there from when it's been shimmed previously. And get the big boy socket out, see if this works. That was too easy. Shouldn't be this easy, I'm worried. At least I've got those part numbers to match, and put a little paint mark on this one. Let's give this a good clean, this case. Don't know how I'm going to get that one out of there, but it definitely is changing. It's good practice to change these. On to the next side. Let's see if this will work. Yeah, that's going to work. See it moving. I did think this was going to be a lot more difficult, to be fair, I'm not going to lie, but I'm not going to jinx it because we've still got to torque that up in the vise. 50 Newton meters and then 90 degrees on the breaker bar. That's going to be tough. Right, stage one, 50 Newton meters, one turn at a time. So let's give that a turn. Give that one a few turns then, because it was just pulling it down. It was very loose. This is not a how-to video, so do not follow my instructions. This is the first time I've fitted one of these gripper diffs. As you can see, that one there is very loose, so I'm just spinning it before I give it a turn, so it looks like I'm not doing a full turn. Or doing more than a turn, should I say. Again, loose. And that's, there you go, can I even hear it pulling down slightly. There we go. That means it's pulling in evenly. I mean, if it's successful and I don't blow up a gearbox on track and I get no excessive noise, apart from obviously with these diffs they are very noisy, then we can say it's a how-to video. But I won't know that until its first outing. Strange but nice. Race out the freezer. Gonna use the old one to try and knock it down. Right, so the next task on the agenda, drive shaft seal. Hey look, Phil's here from down south. Back from holiday. Alright Phil.
Mike, say it or whatever it is.
Mike, sorry.
Mike, sorry, that's it.
Sorry mate, pricing up jobs today, can't come.
I've been in Blackpool.
You're in bed now then?
Yeah.
Let's get Dion on YouTube.
We used to
On the YouTube channel.
On the YouTube.
Well, let's see if we can get this torqued.
That's it. It's just them ones at the bottom now, really, isn't it?
I think we're already on 50. $50.
And then you've got to do 90 degrees.
Yeah, that's going to be a challenge. Right, so Mike turned up. Needed some muscle for the 50 Newton meters and the 90 degrees, so we got it in the vise. Mike's standing on it. We've done this on 2 bolts, so it should work. But please pray for me.
Proper backyard.
Yeah.
No.
So as you can see, I put little paint marks on the bolts there, so I know when it's 90. Simply lovely.
Simple.
Should we try another one from this angle?
Yeah.
Oh. Couple more degrees.
Mike,
Yo,
you booking the third or what?
3rd of September?
Yeah.
What day is it?
Wednesday, Tuesday.
Tuesday, I think.
I'll have to look at the calendar.
Gonna check his diary. I'll get back to you.
No then.
Possibly no.
You need to get a life, mate.
Right, we're flying here, mate. Let me try this one here.
Oh!
Right, what time's last compressor, mate?
All night.
You what?
All night.
Right, well on
Right, so maybe it is a how-to video, even though I said it weren't. But as you can see, I put the paint markers on there, turn them all 90 degrees. We're done. Just got one. I just got to shim the box, put that over race in, and we can start assembling it. Bausch. Right, I have to get this in just to test it. Black 15.
15.
My lucky day. Johnny Reb's exhausted.
I am.
Right, so I've got the second race in there, and that's the shim. So we shimmed it by a midges.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
You hold that, pal. She goes.
Isn't it? Send your head mad, them lines. Looks like a Warner Brothers movie.
Twilight Zone. Right, we were unsure whether it was shimmed correctly because we couldn't turn the diff by hand when we were tightening the box up, so I've just put the old input shaft in, all the gears in, put it in gear, and we have differential. I think that's second gear, and then there's no play in there either, so I'm happy with that. Very happy. Seal in there next. Right, so there we have it. Diff's in. Still need to put all the gear sets in there. Gasket maker. Ball it up, torque it up. But first, the other gearbox has got to come out of the car. And that needs splitting. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, tell your mum, tell your nan, and tune in next time for more baguettes and asbos. Laters.